Good morning, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. This morning I'll be making a Reese's peanut butter cheesecake. We're going to begin with 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, half a cup of butter. We're just going to mix that. Then we're just going to press our crumbs down in a grease 8-inch spring pan. Okay, once your crumbs are all pressed down, we're just going to set this aside and we're going to begin with our cream cheese mixture. Okay, for our mixture, we're going to need 2 blocks of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar or icing sugar, and 1 cup of peanut butter. So now I'm just gonna mix all that together. Okay, once it's all blended together, we're gonna set that aside and we are going to make our Dream Whip. So in a separate bowl, I'm going to add 2 packages of Dream Whip, and 1 cup of milk. And I'm just going to use my hand mixer for this. Once your Dream Whip forms stiff peaks, we're going to add that to our cream cheese. Once your mixture is done, we're just going to pour our cream cheese on top of our crumbs. Now we're just going to refrigerate to let it set. Okay, now I'm going to be making the chocolate peanut butter sauce for my cheesecake. So we're going to begin with 1 can of condensed milk, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of cocoa. I do 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. And then we're just gonna simmer. Don't let it boil too much. I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Once everything is well combined and the peanut butter has melted and it just started boiling, we're going to remove it from the heat and we're just going to set aside until I decorate the cheesecake. Okay, it's been a few hours. I'm going to take my cheesecake out here. And I'm going to add some little Reese's peanut butter minis. Okay, and I made some extra whipped cream. Just get some extra. And then I'm going to take my chocolate sauce that I made earlier. And I'm just going to drizzle some. I'm just going to sprinkle some crushed peanuts.